You seem full of energy.
We just have to cover that up.
There was a sub box over here.
Oh, we got an off-roader behind us. Watch out.
That's a nice one.
He's got blinky lights. Look at this S10, dude. And sick.
I could get down with that.
I could get down with that.
If I take that since you out here.
Oh my lord. Gavin, get your truck out. I have yet to hear two-step. You know, everyone tried to get me to rev it. I would be doing like neutral and then I had to slam it to drive. It's great.
Fucking come here.
For myself.
That's what a pitter is, you dum-dum.
Send Cooper a video of that.
2G. Yeah, we've seen it all. We're about there. That's cool. This is almost worse than Port Huron.
Like, oh, guys, I'm ready to go home in about 2 minutes. Watch out, boys.
That guy can wait.
That's it?
That was the show? My video is at 2 minutes. We walked around.
I feel like it's only going to get rowdy tonight.
What in the hell is happening? Where the hell are we?
Brother!
Tint the whole fucking shield. Shit like that pisses me. Tint the whole fucking windshield. Tint the whole fucking windshield. What the
See, look, have you had the impression?
I know, I agree. I don't get it. I'm fully with you on that, buddy.
Oh, okay.
I don't understand it.
Hop in.
Yeah, I know, for real already.
Yeah, that's a hard.
This is where the rod goes to the side of my truck.
Are you gonna start it?
Exhaust is on the side.
Track them back to their hole and then kill the fucking parents of them. Take the babies. Sell them on the black animal market.
Real stop.
That is expired, brother.
I saw that. There's motherfuckers everywhere, dude. Yeah, let these guys pass. Get them to go! Yeah, we need some legit fucking safety. Go ahead, go!
you're fucking tired.
Buddy needs to check his ball joints, but in the rear.
He's like, ah! Honestly, I don't think so.
Hey, grab that cone.
Hey, grab that cone. It seemed like everybody was mad. Fuck that cone. Alright, you guys have to.
Hey, fuck that cone, buddy.
Sorry, that cone's not there for a reason.
Yeah, you already ran it over.
You're good, dude. You might as well just keep going.
It's gotten ran over a couple times. Roll back. Roll back.
Are they racing? What the?
And there's
Here we go. Here's a dead bang.
Two Mustangs.
This can't be good. This can. Get back!